Can you recall the last time you got a promotion, you got called to the office in your job, and they gave you the good news that you got promoted? You have been working so hard for that. You have better salary now, a better position. What a happy moment. So hopefully you remember that. Let's talk about when you are going on vacation. Just thinking about going to that vacation just makes you feel so happy. And when you get there, you want that to never end. So having emotions and experiences like that, it really helps you to just release this happy hormone that we all hear about. So how this works is every time we get motivated or we get happy about something, the hypothalamus releases a neurohormone to the brain, which is called the happy feeling hormone, and it just rewards you, right? It gives you that happy feeling. So now imagine yourself going to your account weekly or maybe monthly and just seeing that savings account growing. It's going to be a great feeling. Just knowing that your savings account is getting bigger and bigger, it's just going to give you that same happy feeling like if you will be getting a promotion or if you're going on vacation. Now, what I would like to share with you is 4 ways that you can actually make that account growing without even sweating, going to the bank, or doing anything. I want you to just be able to have that feeling of and that sensation of happiness just by looking at your account growing. Welcome to Marcia's Corner. This is the place where we talk about financial topics, ways to save some money, and just to better ourselves. Today, we are going to talk about 4 ways that can help us to save money without even little to no effort. Have you heard that phrase that says, out of sight, out of mind? Well, this is going to apply to these 4 ways that you can use to save money. One of the best ways to think about saving money is to know the services and tools that every financial institution offers. So we already have accounts and we already have a bank, just we have to get to know them. Some people prefer to do the deposits themselves, and that is perfectly fine. But what happens is they face a lot of struggles, like the bank is too far away. When I am done from work, the bank is closed. The lines are too long, and we never end up doing those deposits. If you have a bank, you must have online banking, and online banking can help you to do that deposit from the comfort of your home. And you can do that yourself. You can actually go to your checking account and transfer money to your savings account, and then you have done it. You don't have to go to the bank, you don't have to make lines, you don't have to travel anywhere. So that is a benefit that will help you to save time, to save you money, and it will give you convenience. So that will be one way that you can start working on saving your money. Your second and third options are going to reflect the phrase out of mind, out of sight. And I just want to make sure and clarify something. I am not sponsoring any financial institution. This is not being sponsored by anyone. This is actually something that I really believe that will help you and save you time. So let's continue with options 2 and 3. And this is creating auto savings. You can actually go into your online services and just set up auto savings from your checking to your savings account. What you need to do is you need to think about the amount that you need to save, either if you want to do it daily, if you want to do it weekly, monthly, and also the time frame, right? And I am going to give you an example. Let's say that in a year, I want to save $2,400. I will divide $2,400 by 52 weeks that the year has. If I divide that by 52 weeks, it's going to give me an amount of around $49. And then if I want to do it daily, you will divide that by 7. So when you go into your online services, you're going to create a transfer in a daily basis of $7. Right? $7, you're going to transfer that in a daily basis. But if you feel like weekly is going to work for you, then you figure out the amount that is going to be weekly. It can be $49, and that is going to be transferred without even thinking. Right? It's going to be every week is going to be a transfer from your checking to your savings account. You don't have to do anything. Now, if you don't feel so comfortable getting into your online services, option number 3 is just going to the bank and just ask them to help you to set up auto transfers or auto savings. They will ask you for the amount. They will ask you how often you want this. So you really need to think about how much is the amount that you want to be transferred from your checking to your savings account and how often. And that will help you. They will set it up for you, and you don't have to worry. From that day on, you don't have to worry about doing anything yourself. Out of sight, out of mind, and you will be just checking your account growing. And once again, this is no commercial for any financial institution. All financial institutions have some type of online services. Just find out which one they have and what works for you. The last option, and this is through direct deposit. So what you can do is you can call your payroll company. You can ask them to help you set up a transfer from your paycheck to your savings account. You do it one time, and you just have to be specific. You want to do it every paycheck. So in every paycheck, they're going to take $20, $40, $30 to your savings account straight. You don't even feel it. You don't even see it. You will be just seeing your account growing. I believe that's the easiest and most effective way, because it doesn't even hit your checking account. Now, these are the 4 options that can help you to save money with little to no effort, right? You just have to decide when you want to start saving, and just think about the benefits. Think about the happy feeling you're going to have when you see that amount growing. The neurohormone, dopamine, is going to be kicking your brain every week, and you are going to be ecstatic. If you feel like this video helped you to think about ways you can start saving without any effort, please share with your friends. They might also need some ideas on how to do this. Like the video and subscribe. And I want to leave you with one question. If you are somebody that haven't thought about this, share with me which one of these options you will be using to start saving your money without little to no effort, and just enjoy and celebrate with that dopamine hormone that is going to be kicking your brain when you see that money growing. Thank you so much for watching.